We are at RS sector reed bed in Jindal, Bellary, that is Torangallu, Vidyanagar. I have some questions, sir. First to Mr. Salgude, who was part of designing this system. Sir, what was your experience in designing this reed bed system?
The system is designed for 650 houses, and per day intake of water in the reed bed is around 1500 KLD, and it is divided into two parts. One is for 1000 and one is for 500 KLD.
Why did you select this system over mechanical systems?
Mechanical system, the quality of water what we are experiencing in this reed bed system is comparatively good, maintenance free. Only labor part to maintain the tree plantation, that is involved, and only pumping part is involved.
That pumping is common anywhere.
Yes, that is common in both the systems. But you can see the lush green behind us.
Yes, this all greenery is because of the reed beds.
Yes.
We are actually standing on the reed bed.
Yes, we are
almost
standing
on the reed bed, right?
You can see the nice flowers, even fruits.
Right. Shivanand, sir, what was the experience in constructing this reed bed?
We had a very good experience in terms of laying the pipelines, making the levels, and putting various grades of soils, aggregates, etc. It was a challenge, and this was.
Was it very difficult?
It was not very difficult, but it was very interesting, I can say.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it took a lot of our attention because it was totally the first time we did it here.
Right.
That too with such a big proportion. So we were very enthralled with the work. We were very much involved in the work.
Right.
And it has given us a lot of satisfaction as far as the work is concerned.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now, sir, how do you find this system and its function?
Yeah, Dr. Ajit Gokhale, we are very grateful for you for introducing this reed bed system in our town. So when we talked about the treatment for our sewage treatment for about our 600 new housing complex which is coming, we are on crossroads whether should we go with the mechanical system or when we started our township back in so 20 years back, we started with another mechanism called lagoons. That lagoons were operating for 400-500 houses, and after that we found that that is too difficult to maintain, and also it is consuming too much of land. And as our expansions took place, and as we are a zero discharge company as a JSW, so we are looking for what is that best mechanism or more sustainable sewage treatment which we can adapt and which can demonstrate, so that not only for us, even for outside, we can very proudly say that yes, it is one of the solution for the our country. Where if you see, we have more than about 7,000 families staying in our 3 towns. In other 2 towns, we are also having a mechanical system. Where if you see the mechanical system, one is the capital cost, which is almost I can say more than 250% of reed beds. And if you see the treatment cost, the operation and maintenance cost, it is 1/3, less than 1/3.
You mean 1/3 is of reed bed?
1/3 is reed bed, and if you have just to give an analogy, so we have a sophisticated mechanical system in our Shankar Hill town, where we are. It is a filtered, almost like it is a RO membrane technology reed bed,
right,
where we are incurring a operation and maintenance cost of about 15 rupees a cubic meter. Okay. Whereas if you see our entire, including power, what I meant is including power, our total operation, maintenance, mechanical, all that.
Right.
And if you see in reed bed, our operation maintenance cost is less than 5 rupees a cubic meter, including the power of evacuating the sewage water.
Right.
So that is the.
So if you remove the power,
Yeah, it is hardly except the normal horticulture maintenance. Hardly anything is there, and once in a year is desilting the setting chamber.
Tank,
That is the only the cost involved. And when we shown these to many of the pollution control board or the government officials, they are in fact they are expressing their astonishment how sewage treatment plant can be so green, so neat, without smell, and where you can't see a sewage, because as this is a underground filtration system where the reeds are with the roots do the cleaning of what man makes the dirty. So that is so interesting, and it is so natural. So that is how we feel. We are very proud that we have such system, and we have initial when we adopting this, we have a lot of ifs and buts, and like anything new which gives to go or not to go.
Yes.
So now after 5 years looking back, we are more satisfied than, and we can proudly say that we should adopt this across everywhere, so that we can save the power, we can make the cities and the villages more green, more natural. And this water, as we are using 100% for our rest of the horticulture, I can say that it is one of the best way of treating sewage. Thank you, Dr. Javed.
thank you. Just a moment. We can get the water, treated water.
Yeah.
Just a moment. This is the treated water from the reed bed.
Yeah, sir. I can smell. I can take it near to my mouth. Yes. I don't have any affright. So it is, though it is put in a PET bottle, it is not Aquafina filtered water. It is just taken from out of our reed beds.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.